Hello everyone, it's X. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'll be giving out a tutorial on how to copy the cPen official contact address for the DEX exchanges, which is your OKX, MetaMask, and the Trust Wallet. All right. For those who have received their cPen token on the Bitmart exchanges, who are the earlier ones, I will say a big congratulations to you all. And if you're yet to receive your cPen token distribution on the Bitmart exchanges, I would suggest that you wait a little patient, all right, because the token distribution is being distributed on every exchanges and on the DEX batch by batch, all right. And quickly, let's run a tutorial on how to copy the cPen official contract address, all right, and import it on the DEX exchanges which you connected to your cPen network app. All right, so here I'm on my Bitmart exchange to prove that we've already received ours. So this is my assets, and on the assets I'm on the spot, and the spot you're going to refresh it, and once you refresh it's going to display our token on the Bitmart for those. But if you're yet to receive your Bitmart token, you wait patient, because it's going to be distributed batch by batch and receive, and then going to be listed on early April. All right, quickly, for those who use the Trust Wallet to connect their BSC or BNB smart chain to the cPen network app, you're going to click on the Trust Wallet. All right, so here around my Trust Wallet app, the first thing you're going to do is going to click on the top corner area where you're going to see, you're seeing plus sign on the two circles area on the top corner. You click on it, and you're going to click on the plus sign, and when you click on the plus sign, automatically is on the default on the Ethereum, but we're going to switch to BNB. We're going to search for BNB. Here's my BNB smart chain contract. You're going to click on it. So when you click on it, paste the address. But if you want to receive the cPen official contact address, I'm going to post the contact address on the comment section on the description of this video below. All right, you're going to copy it, check it there. You're going to see it there, or you copy it from here. This is it. All right, this is it. Make sure it's correct. And once you do that, it's going to display the cPen token. All right, this is the cPen, then decimal 18. You're going to import it automatically. It is already imported. So this is the cPen. Now if you are yet to receive your token from the cPen, or whether you receive it or yet to receive it, it's going to display on the cPen blockchain. It's going to display on the cPen under the BNB blockchain for now, because the open mainnet is yet to open. So that is how it is on the cPen. Let's go to search on the home page. So here is it. So here is the cPen network. So once your token has been distributed, you're going to receive it here. Those who are using the OKX wallet, here I am on the OKX wallet. Ensure that you have the wallet address you copy from the BSC of the BNB from the OKX wallet is attached to the cPen network you connected to the wallet. You're gonna come to these three hamburger icon, which you are seeing the pencil mark here. You're gonna click on it, and when you click on it, you're gonna search. You're gonna click on the custom crypto. All right, you're gonna click on the custom crypto, and when you click on the custom crypto, it's gonna display. Now the OKX wallet is by default on the Bitcoin. We're going to click on the Bitcoin, and we're going to search for the BNB or the BSC smart chain. So here is it. This is the BSC. All right, but let's scroll down to see if there's a BNB, if there's any other aside from that. All right, so there's none. So what we're having is the BSC. All right, so this is the BSC, the Binance. Are you going to paste the cPen contract address? So here is it, and the symbol is going to display. All right. All right, guys, now the cPen network has been displayed on the cPen contact address, which you've seen here, and decimal is 18, just like we did on the previous post, which is the Trust Wallet. So we're going to confirm it. The token, this token is unsafe. The token carries potential risks. Proceed with cautions. We're going to click on continue, because obviously is the that is what happens to every contact address you want to attach to. So we're going to scroll down and look for the cPen network. We're going to search for, we're going to go back, and we're going to go back. They're going to scroll down, and we're going to search for the cPen network, the cPen token. All right, okay, so here is the cPen. Here's the cPen. All right, so this is mine. All right, this is the cPen. I'm having 781 token which I connected to by cPen network. So here is it, the cPen. I need to update my OKX wallet. That is why it's lagging. All right. So this is the cPen. So it has been distributed. My token has been distributed, 781 tokens. All right. So let's go to the MetaMask for those who use the MetaMask to connect theirs. So we're going to click on the MetaMask. All right, here we are on the MetaMask. So what you're going to do is going to click on the top left corner, which you're seeing the Ethereum base logo up here. We're going to click on it. And when you click on it, by default is on the Ethereum minute. And what we're going to do is going to click on the BNB Smart Chain minute. All right, so when you click on the BNB Smart minute, I've changed this to BNB by default. And we're going to go back. So it's now on the BNB by default. So we're going to click on this plus sign. And we'll click on the plus sign. We're going to click on the plus sign. All right. I want to click on the plus sign. You're going to go to the custom tokens. All right. When you click on the custom tokens and it says anyone can create a token, including creating fake version of existing tokens. Learn more about it. But obviously, I'm pasting the official cPen network address. I'm going to be showing the cPen network address, which I pasted, which is on the description of this video. Right. Copy it. That is how you get it. So I'm going to paste it. All right, guys. So that is how to import your import the cPen contact address to your DEX exchanges where you connected your wallet to the cPen network. All right. So if you like this video, can you like, subscribe, and follow my YouTube channel? All right, so that you'll be able to get more updates like this and more other updates on how to make money online. Also follow me on my social media. Just in case I'm not here, I'm also on Facebook. If you don't understand this video, you can always watch the video again, and if you don't still understand it, you can always comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. All right, see you in my next video. Thank you.